Welcome to the new weekly Harmonic scanner analysis. This week I would like to show you what the Harmonic scanner has detected, what I have shared with the traders inside the gold membership, and also is there any potentially profitable pattern created on the scanner. In my analysis I only followed the bet pattern, bearish bet pattern and also a bullish bet pattern when they're formed on the chart, and when I receive information from the Harmonic scanner through this notification window. When there is some kind of a pattern created, in my example, I only followed the bet pattern. When there is a bet pattern, bullish or bearish, we can see that with these arrows, I get information on my mobile phone and I have a link. When I click on the link, I get here to the chart, so I can also make the analysis. This week I have received information for the New Zealand dollar against HKD. It was a bearish bet pattern formed here on the chart. After that I have made the analysis. We can see that here the price is currently in the strong downtrend. We can see that the price is bouncing up and down, up and down, up and down. Here it was a little bit stronger up returning and then strong push down. So I have taken this into consideration because of the strong bearish trend that is currently active on the market on the long term and also on the short term. So this is the analysis I have created for the traders inside the gold membership, and I have shared with them this information. The bet pattern was created and detected with take profit level 2 here, take profit level 1 around this area here, the entry level right here, and the stop loss right here. So I have put support and resistance levels on the chart and also modified these entry level, stop loss and take profit levels just based on this technical analysis to be in line. So we can see after this bearish bet pattern has been created, the price has reached from the potential reversal zone, which is a gray area, and also the blue line, which is the entry level. The price has returned back down, touching the take profit level 1. We can see that here. So the price has reached this area of take profit level 1, and currently it is bouncing back up and reaching again very close to this area of the entry level potential reversal zone. So I'm still active on this pattern, waiting for the price to reverse back down, touching the take profit level 2. But in this case also I will lower this stop loss level just below this area of resistance to lower the stop loss level to avoiding being stopped out completely with the complete stop loss and also the percentage I have created. The idea is always when the price reaches the take profit level 1 to return back down below the entry level, just in case if the price reverses completely above the entry level, you get out before the price reaches the entry level, which means you get out with small profit. So this pattern, which is reaching the take profit level 1, is currently profitable, and it probably will continue to go down if the price makes a bearish breakout below this area of resistance. But before that happens, we need to wait until the price makes that. But also there is a potential that the price makes a bullish breakout above this area of resistance and continue to rise in value, reaching the entry level and also the stop loss. If this happens, the price will touch this area of stop loss and also the trigger, close the trade with a small profit, and after that we can also wait for another pattern to be detected by the Harmonic scanner. So it is the best to get out from the trade with a small profit, then leaving this profit completely going, wiping out, and then going for the price to wait until the price makes move and reaches the stop loss in the complete area, which means the complete loss that you have expected in this trade. For example, if you are putting a stop loss to 1%, then you lose 1% of your trading account balance just waiting because the price is returning back up. It is the best to get out with a small trade, with a small profit, and then wait for another opportunity, then losing completely this profit, which was on the take profit level 1, and then going to the minus 1% on your trading account. So this reward to risk is 3.53. I have adapted slightly the stop loss and take profit level, so we can round this to the 3.0. So if you have 1% of a loss and you are targeting 3% of a profit, in this case, we can say that this take profit level 1 is around 2%. So you would be in the plus, in the profit 2%, you would lose completely 1% and wait until you get another minus 1%, which is completely losing 3%. It makes no sense. So this is the way the best way to reduce the risk and wait for another opportunity, because the scanner detects lots of these patterns, especially on the lower time frames. So if you would like to trade more, you can go to the lower time frames like 1 hour time frame and get more of these patterns. This one is detected on the 4 hour time frame, and I like to trade only 4 hour time frame the daily because of the time that I get to analyze the patterns and also make the better decision. And based on this currently status, I have much more of the profitable patterns than losing patterns. So for now, I will wait and see how the price behaves. Will the price go down or it will go up, reaching the stop loss level? I will watch that closely and inform the traders inside the Gold membership. Feel free to join to get inside this group and ask any questions, receive the updates, and then we'll see how the price goes and also how the pattern goes. For now, if there is any new patterns, we can see here inside notification how the price behaves. We can see that after that, we can see the price has detected several of these. Let's check this one, which is not very clear one. We can see the price is currently moving sideways, up and down, and it is currently showing it is a bullish bad pattern suggesting further rise in value. It is not in line with the trend, so I skip this one. Let's check this one, what this one has. Okay, we can see it is completely failed. We can see the price is moving up and we have the bearish bad pattern against the trend, so it is a failed one. I will skip this one. Let's check this one, what it shows. We have a strong uptrend, then the price is moving downtrend, moving sideways, and we have currently bearish bad pattern suggesting further decline in value. Now if we see the price is currently heading in a strong trend, this trend has been stopped, the price has reset back up, trying to continue to rise based on the trend, in the trend direction, and we have a bearish bad pattern suggesting opposite. So I also skip this one because it is not in line with the trend. Now we can see there is no more these notifications. The scanner did not detect any bearish or bullish bad patterns on the 4 hour time frame or the daily time frame. So I still wait for the market to make a move and then scanner to detect the patterns. If you would like to detect more patterns, you can select them here inside the settings and select Cypher, Shark, and all of them. You will see that. Alton, Crab, Gartley, and all of them will be populated right here, and you can click on them and analyze if you would like to trade them. So feel free to check more of these patterns if you would like, but currently I'm only using the bad pattern which I have analyzed, and it currently shows a pretty good results. You're open, you can also try for 7-day free trial if you would like to test how this works and also how the pattern reacts on the market on the different time frames, and you can also join and test for yourself. If it works, that's good. If you would like to get more informations and also follow my analysis, feel free to check the Gold membership, where you have much more options and also availability for me to get in contact with you and to discuss more details. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.